Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Queen Miranda from Sofia the First with this red gown look and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and combine it with this one. For this hairstyle, you're going to change the toggle to back and remove all the flowers. And then for this one, you're going to remove the bangs. And then you're going to color it with this color for all the selection. And then you're going to put on this necklace, make it this color. Okay, and then this earring, make it white color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then this heels, make it this color. Okay, and then you can put on this hat, but this is optional because it's from VIP. If you don't have VIP, you can skip this item. Okay, and then let's move to the changing room. And then you're going to go to the coats item and I'm going to choose this item. Okay, and then I'm going to color it with this color for the first selection, and for the inner coat, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then for the fur trim, just leave it like that. And for the fourth selection, make it this color. Okay, and for the chains, make it this color. And for the color, make it this color. And then I'm going to change the toggle to 2. Okay, and after that, you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, now it's done guys, and then I'm going to go to this menu and put on this skirt, remove the layer, and for this one I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area. We're going to put on this gloves, and for the gloves I'm going to remove the fur and we're going to color it with this red color. And then we're gonna move to the world culture clothing area, put on the skirt, make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, it's done, and I'm going to combine it with this dress. We can remove the top so we can choose only skirt. We're going to change the color to this color for the first selection until the second selection, and then you're gonna make it glitter. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Queen Miranda with this red gown outfit and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.